Kia ora whānau, Travis here, doing the Hao challenge, challenge number 2, which is around proposing solutions rather than compromising. When someone asks you a question, and we might go, I don't know, what do you want to do? What would make you happy? And we compromise in those situations. So the challenge is about interrupting that behavior and proposing a solution. In a work context, I had no problem. I'm like Hitler. I'm like, yeah, I need you to do this, that. So I had no problems. I'm great at delegation in a work context. But I did notice, like, when I did it with my in my personal relationships, when I had my daughter, she asked, what do we want to do for dinner? And I wasn't even aware. It came out of my subconscious, and I just said, I don't know, what would make you happy? And then I caught myself at the end of saying that. So, oh, wow, it sort of surprised me. And then I came back and proposed a solution saying, okay, why don't we get a cookbook out? We'll look for some vegetarian meals. Dad'll cook it with you, and we'll do that in 1 hour from now. And yeah, I guess the interesting thing was that I wasn't aware in that context that that type of behavior was there. So it's good. I think that's part of the challenge, is just noticing and having self-awareness around those behavioral patterns that are programmed into us. And when you have self-awareness of those, you can catch them, be aware of them, and have the choice to change them to get a different outcome.